essential for you since you are coding that you have no idea about the coding. If you are a beginner, then obviously you will face this the problem. Since we in the last when you have read in the read in class 10 or lower high school, we have all that we have learned because of by heart. So when it comes to the higher studies like in coding, so code you cannot by heart and heart the code, and what you have code, then it will be a destroy of your mind. So what we do? How to how will get this? So how to how will run the code, and what will be the method of this? So there are other languages, there are various languages which are available on internet everywhere, and if you search online and everywhere, I am telling you everywhere in the world. So this is the case happen. So when you are learning in a code, for this you have to, since code is generated from a mass, because code and a mass are coding and programming and mass are very interest related, that they are brothers and sisters. If brother not exist, there will be not sister, will not come. So for this you have to learn math. You have to learn math. This math is also you cannot by heart. So for the math you have to learn logic. So how to build the logic, and logic building memory is important. Or without logic you cannot or learn math, physics, chemistry, and coding. That is the topic that I believe you have to, or even your literature without logic you cannot able to find any relation between them. Without relation, what you have learned, that is the it is told that work without intention is real, and intention without work is nil. So this is some story. So now let's come into the top point, that how to build with topic. So what will be the procedure, and what will be this as characteristic, and how I build my logic, and what will be the solution of this. So this we have in the past of this video I have told you coding is directly related to your maths. So there are various kind of maths which are available: calculus, 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 linear algebra, abstract algebra, modern algebra. There are various math which math you have to learn, and there are true and false. So for this I have since Boolean math, there is another kind of Boolean math. Since Boolean is a math, Boolean is a scientist. Everyone know that Boolean is math which will help you throughout that our computer architecture is designed. If you understand the Boolean maths and reasoning of a math, there is the negotiation that you have, or probably you have studied in the class 12 when you give your IIT JEE exam. When you give your IIT JEE exam, so there is a chapter that is called reasoning, and from that you get a 4 mark or like that. From that you have to understand. So if you do the Boolean maths, okay, that is the suggestion that I am telling you. If you do the Boolean maths and your reasoning of the maths, and if you learn the calculus and geometry and topology, permutation combination, and from that permutation combination, set theory, Cantor set theory, number theory, cryptography. From that now cryptography is arrived. So if you have done this, do this for building of your set, so that will building of your logic, which will help you to grow your logic building memory will develop with the time. When you learn this with the practice, that you without understanding the concept behind it, and you go to the problem, and that you have teach by the your teacher or expert of the subject, it will not help you to build, but you have to build your own memory for this. And so that is the thing. So there are other purpose. You can solve play an online game that are available, solve a puzzle that are harder problem. You can solve any query that are available you have an asked question, and for that you have to find an answer. The answer that exists in the universe, but you have to find it. That is the given by the all almighty. So almighty. So for this you have, after that you have to learn this, and if you are in engineering, then obviously you will get another topic, that computer and architecture, which will build you logic and for your computer architecture. If you understand how the computer works, and because of this you will able to build your own logic, that your own idea. Logic means the idea that you have created within yourself. From that you can make a contribution that you have learned, and through which you contribute or communicate that I am using that. That is my logic that I have. Without logic, there is nothing exists that I believe. So that is the thing that you have learned. After that, you can learn the programming, which will help you to understand if when you are learning the Java, Python, and Python, PHP, React, CSS. Uh, so I think you got the information. So you for more video, do like, share, subscribe if you get this interesting for you and get helpful for your